We all know what it is. We've all been there. We've all seen it. And this is a riser closet of one of these telco closets that we're talking about. And on this side is what we call typical. And this side this is a managed, tech-ready building contractor. Now let's look at this side here and look what the property manager has to deal with. We know they have to deal with the aesthetics of the closet. You know, they have to deal with that. We've all seen the closets. They're not in the best of shape. They can live with a messy closet, but what they can't live with when we're talking riser closets is capacity fill. They can't live with that. I mean, that means they got to go and drill another core hole. Okay, and if this is on a 20th floor, they got to drill, down 20 floors. They don't want to do that. So they're dealing with a lot of issues with capacity fill. They're dealing with, what else are they dealing with? We're dealing with safety issues. Like right here we've got, this is probably the Home Depot stuff that they put in there. That's not the right fire stopping for this. So they got to deal with that. Okay, they got to deal with a lot of issues, but when you're just talking capacity, whether it's in a riser closet or within common areas, they have to deal with that, and that's something that they don't really like to do. They're always trying to figure out ways to get around it.